The ancient Sumerians, known as Kimegir or Kimegir, meaning sacred people, share a fascinating connection with the Kimek of Kazakhstan. This link isn't just coincidence, it's rooted in deep mythological and linguistic tie. The Sumerian god Anu Dingir parallels the Turkic sky father Mangu Tengri. Even names like Shimkent and Enkikent echo Sumerian roots. The Sumerians called their language Kimegir, or sacred tongue, which resonates with the Kazakh concept of Ana Tili, the mother tongue. Both reflect a belief that language is sacred. The Sumerian root eme, meaning language, is strikingly similar to the Turkic em, to suckle, highlighting how language is nurtured from mother to child. The Andronovo culture in Kazakhstan reveals fascinating archaeological findings that suggest a deeper connection to the Sumerians than we once thought. Historical accounts by Carl Friedrich Neumann and Gaston Maspero hint that these ancient steppe dwellers might have